And guys,
But it's your plant, Evelina. Are you still in dirt?
bebe, I need the ano,
What?
the new dirt.
The new dirt. I'll bring you the new dirt. You can put right on top. You need to dig a little deeper. Let's see how the soil here is.
Guys, very dry.
You see?
But I hope he can survive. Tara guys.
More.
Bebe, you know, it's not easy to...
I know. You take it easy. Just chop little by little.
So guys, ano to, seeds. Malaki ko pwede na to guys. I will plant 2 pieces of the... Hi.
Plant them all there.
All of this?
Yeah, may the strongest survive.
I don't wanna lose some plants. Yan. So, magiging dirty na ngayon yung hands natin. Siyempre, kailangan niya ng gandang lupa. Ayun, tatabunan naman natin siya niya. Mabuhay ka ha. So lalagyan ngayon natin siya ng paikot. Yan, para alam nila na may tanim to. Yan, ganyan. So medyo marami-rami pa tayo tatanim guys.
A little softer the soil there.
So kami guys ang kauna-unahang may marunggay. We are the first who have marunggay here.
Yeah.
And papaya.
This is a Guinness record. Because no one has done it before. The guys here are watching a Guinness record.
So hindi pa siya kakilala dito guys.
And bring to Croatia and is growing in the pot. Amazingly. And now we are planting some tree bushes. Bush trees. Some jungle trees.
This jungle tree will amaze. A lot of they use this for even in the Asian times.
Marunggay.
Napakatigas guys talaga. Tapos when we plant the papaya, I will plant there.
There?
Because it's a little shadow.
Yeah.
They are so small eh. I will let little grow. Ayan guys. Ito yung pangalawa natin.
roast outside. Still good.
Ay. Baby pa nga guys yung aking marunggay eh. Pero kaya na niya yan. Make it ha. Hindi siya mag-croak ito.
Thank you.
Tapos,
You're so cute.
ayan guys, medyo marami pa oh. Teka lang. Patayin ko muna to, bus na bata.